10 years of research, 2 complete engine rewrites, and a major breakthrough sparked by the success of Gem Club Equinox, RUNOTechnologies is proud to announce the next chapter with their brand new instrument. This is Runo SATURN V. SATURN V is Runo's first ever performance synthesizer, providing fresh new sounds, a fully fledged user interface of controls and effects, and an all-new layering system powered by our proprietary synth engine, Rings VS1. For the past decade, RUNOTechnologies, along with many incredible sound designers, have worked together to capture the character of various different vintage and modern synthesizers from different eras, not just the notes, but their personality as well. Finding your sound in SATURN V is simple. Every patch is organized by the synthesizer it came from, vintage analogs, modern digital machines, boutique gear, and of course, Runo's own custom library from early development prototypes. Just pick the synth bank you want, and then choose the sound. You can also move between banks with the up and down arrows, and flip through sounds with the left and right arrows. It's fast, it's intuitive, and it keeps you in the flow without digging through menus. SATURN V isn't limited to just synth patches. You'll find drum kits, sound effects, and textures, all integrated in a multi-gigabyte library full of sounds that reward exploration. The deeper you go, the more you discover. The top panel gives you the essentials every musician needs. You've got a gain knob to control your overall level, and a panning knob that gets really fun when you're running 2 instances, pan 1 left, pan 1 right, and suddenly you've got this wide, almost binaural feel. Expression and velocity lock let you shape how the sound responds to your touch, whether you want full dynamic range or a consistent performance. And of course, SATURN V includes pitch bend and modulation faders right on the interface. Whether you're adding vibrato, shaping movement, or bending notes into a lead line, these controls give you the expressive tools you expect from a real performance instrument. And the control knobs are there to help make the sound your own. You can brighten a patch using the cutoff frequency, you can tighten the attack, open the decay, adjust the sustain, and release all in seconds. In addition, you can also change the intensity of the signal path by using the amplitude up and down knobs to increase or decrease the intensity of the overall output. And the effects are very recognizable. SATURN V includes the same effect suite found in our previous virtual instrument. You can add a touch of chorus for width, a bit of delay for movement, some reverb for space, or even some distortion when you need extra edge. SATURN V includes the same synth engine that powers our previous instrument, Gem Club Equinox. It's reliable, it's CPU friendly, and it gives you access to a huge library of expressive, ready-to-play sounds built on that proven foundation. But Runo didn't just stop at one engine. RUNOTechnologies is proud to introduce a second synth engine that turns this virtual instrument into a powerful performance synthesizer. Rings VS1 is Runo's brand new layering system that can stack up to 5 sounds simultaneously, 5 different banks, 5 different synth families, all performing together as one massive, expressive patch. Just choose Rings VS1, locate the separate sound bank, and start exploring. Rings VS1 is all about giving musicians more dimension, more depth, and more ways to perform without ever slowing down the creative process. And if you ever need support or want to check for updates, the info button takes you straight to Runo's website, where you'll find documentation, tutorials, and the latest version of SATURN V whenever new updates are released. Installing SATURN V is straightforward. Just open your DAW and launch SATURN V like any other plugin. On the very first launch, SATURN V will ask you to redirect the instrument to its multi-gigabyte sound library. Once you select the folder, SATURN V will remember its location. Once complete, every time you load the instrument, your entire library is ready to go. And if you prefer to run SATURN V outside of your DAW, you can launch it as a standalone instrument using the Savvy Host application, giving you instant access to the full interface and sound library without opening a project in your DAW. So now it's time to choose your favorite flavor. The standard edition includes a built-in virtual keyboard, allowing you to audition every sound right from the interface, even if you don't have a MIDI controller connected. Perfect for browsing, sketching ideas, or exploring the library on the fly. And if you prefer a cleaner, more minimal layout, SATURN V is also available as an optional module version with no keyboard attached. With 2 engines working together, a library built for discovery, and performance tools that respond to every touch, SATURN V gives you the freedom to perform without hesitation and without limits. Whether you're an artist looking for fresh sounds, new ways to shape your ideas, and expressive control under your fingertips, your search for the most efficient performance synthesizer is over. Blast off with Runo SATURN V. There's rings of possibilities are waiting for you.